Stefan from groupmedia.ch. Today I'm happy to show you the new AMIKO A9 Red, but as well the little sister AMIKO A9 Blue. We will go through the different specs that they have on these two machines. Let's first open the red one up, which looks like this. After I will show you deeper in details. Here we have the A9 Blue, and we can just show off what is inside the boxes. Is the same on the two of them, so we will go through quickly the electricity port, the remote control, which is the same as the A69 Max, the HDMI cable, and the little receiver eyes that you can plug in. So here is the A9 Red with on the side here, I don't know if you saw it, but I can remove it, the sticker. There is a little SD card, there is a hole to do the recovery, there is the optical sensor here, the ER sensor, Ethernet, HDMI, and the electricity ports. And on the other side there is two USB ports, one USB 3 and one USB 2. And let's say here the blue one, which is totally the same and the same. So let's go through the specs. So let's start with the A9 Red. I will tell you all what is the same about the specification, and after I will spend some time on just the small differences that they have. So they had an Amlogic S905X3, a quad-core A55, 64 bits. There is a new GPU, the Mali G31. They have OS Android 9. They have decoder 4K 60 FPS and 8K 30 FPS. RAM, they have 2 GB of RAM DDR3. Memory flash, the red one has 8 GB and the blue one have 16 GB. The Ethernet port is 100 Mbps. The Wi-Fi is 802.11 BGN single band on the red one, and there is the dual band on the blue one, so the 802.11 AC. The RCU, there is a USB port 3.0 and 2.0, the SD card as I mentioned, and these two devices is coming with the new MyTV, the MyTV 2. And first of all you need to upgrade, but then you will see it when we will connect to the devices. So let's connect to the device and see you soon.
Hi guys, welcome back inside this new AMIKO A9. I choose to take the blue one, as the blue one is more powerful, and the Wi-Fi has dual band as mentioned before. There is a hard disk of this blue one is 60 gigabytes. So first of all you need to go to the updates, because otherwise you will have the previous menu, the old menu, and you have to do the upgrade. And when it's done, you can you will have this nice new menu design where you can have the MyTV 2, YouTube, Plex, other as well application like a Kodi. You can just go and add the ones that you already installed, like I installed it, the speed test, and you can add it into your background application. You can go into all apps and then go through all of them, or go as well into the App Store, and you will have a full range of other apps that you can install in the machine. By that, after that, we have the settings, Wi-Fi, LAN, hard disk. This one is set up in French, so let's maybe move to the language and we can put it as in English. It will be easier for you. Then let's go back, network, LAN network, storage. If you want to have a VPN, AirPlay. After, you can switch at the top to system, so the language that you already saw, the upgrades, if there is any upgrades, updates from the device. If you would like to reset your machine, parental settings, you have some mixed settings for the banner, how long you want the banner info coming up, 3 seconds. Auto standby or standby mode, I like to put the options like this. I can restart the device and I don't need to stand up. The LED brightness, after you have the Google account, the about, it's just about versions that you have. And after, you can move to the device again with some outputs that you can parameter as the previous versions. Here the display area, the storage and the Bluetooth. So let's go back to the main menu. Then you have the LAN setting over here, the shortcuts. I'm connected with my Wi-Fi, so here is it. Then going through the updates, and if you have a beta version, you can press the blue button and again information. So that is the basic approximately. And here, if you go to the MyTV 2, you can set your portal. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and see you for the next one. Thank you guys. Bye bye.